Google Flow Music just rolled out a feature that changes everything. It is called Personalize, and it makes AI music actually sound like you. Not like a generic robot, not like someone else's style, like your music, your voice, your sound. Here is how it works and why you need to use it today. Google Flow Music is the new AI music generator from Google DeepMind. It runs on Lyria 3.5, their most advanced music model. The quality is insane. Studio-level production, real vocals with emotion. But until now, there was one big problem: generic sound. Every song felt like it came from the same AI brain. You could hear it immediately. The same vocal deliveries, the same production gloss. That changes with Personalize. Personalize lets you upload your own audio tracks. The AI analyzes them. It learns your unique musical fingerprint, your vocal tone, your production style, your genre choices, your song structure patterns, your mixing preferences, everything. Then it generates new music that sounds like it came from your catalog, not from a generic AI training set. This is the difference between making AI music and making your music with AI. Let me walk you through how to set it up. First, go to Google Flow Music. You need a Google account. Click on the Personalize tab in the left sidebar. You will see an upload area. Drag and drop your audio files here. The important part: you need at least 10 tracks. Google recommends 10 to 20 songs for the best results. These should be your songs, your productions, your vocals, not random downloads from the internet. The AI needs to learn your sound, not someone else's. The tracks should represent the style you want to create more of. If you make lo-fi hip-hop, upload your best 10 lo-fi tracks. If you sing pop ballads, upload your 10 favorite ballads. The AI learns the common threads across all of them. It finds your vocal patterns, your chord progressions, your arrangement tricks. Then when you generate new music, it bakes your style into the output. This is not a simple copy. It is not sampling your tracks. The AI understands your musical DNA and creates original music that fits. Combined with producer mode, the results are scary good. Producer mode lets you control every element of the song: genre, mood, tempo, key, song structure, lyrics, instrumentation, vocal style, dynamics. Now add Personalize on top. You are telling the AI, make a pop-punk song in my style, or generate a slow R&B ballad, but with my vocal characteristics. You get the creative control of producer mode, plus the personal identity of your own sound. This combination is what makes Flow Music different from Suno AI or Udio. Those tools generate great music, but it sounds like a generic AI. Flow Music with Personalize sounds like you using AI. Huge difference. So what can you actually do with this? First, create variations of your best songs. Upload your top tracks. Generate similar tracks in the same style. Now you have an album worth of material, without writing from scratch. Second, explore new genres while keeping your identity. Your voice works in pop, but what about EDM? Generate an EDM track with your vocal style baked in. You might discover a whole new lane for your music. Third, collaborate with yourself. Generate backing tracks in your style, then record real vocals on top, or generate vocals in your style and produce the instrumental yourself. The AI becomes your creative partner, not your replacement. This is powerful for independent artists who need volume. The music industry rewards consistency and speed. Labels drop albums every few months, singles every few weeks. As an independent artist, you need to keep up. Flow Music Personalize helps you create faster without losing your identity. More songs means more streams. More streams means more revenue. But here is the part most people miss. Creating the music is step one. Distribution is step two. If your songs sit on your hard drive, nobody streams them. You need to get your music on Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, all the platforms where people actually listen. That is where DistroKid comes in. DistroKid is the fastest and most affordable way to distribute your music. One annual fee. Unlimited uploads. All major platforms. You keep 100% of your royalties. They distribute to over 150 stores and streaming services. Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Music, all of them. For AI music creators, DistroKid is the perfect partner. Generate with Flow Music, distribute with DistroKid, get paid. I will drop my DistroKid VIP link below, 7% off your first year. Now here is a pro tip most people do not know. Keep a library of your own tracks specifically for personalized training. Do not just upload your released songs. Save your best unreleased demos, your acapellas, your instrumental stems. The more diverse your training data, the more versatile your AI model becomes. 10 vocal tracks, 5 instrumental tracks, a few full production demos. This gives the AI a complete picture of your capabilities. Another tip, update your personalized model regularly. Every time you make a new song you are proud of, add it to your training set. The AI evolves with you. Your sound today is different from 6 months ago. Feed the AI your growth. Let it grow with you. The result: a personal AI music assistant that truly understands your sound. Not a generic tool, your tool. So here is the playbook. Step 1. Open Google Flow Music. Step 2. Upload 10 to 20 of your best original tracks. Step 3. Wait for Personalize to train on your audio. Step 4. Start generating. Use producer mode for full control.